We're here at Cluny in Toronto where Chef Taylor is going to teach me how to make a shrimp cocktail. I've never made one before. Let's hope I pass. Chef Taylor, I'm ready.
Do you have work clothes for today, or is this what you were planning on coming to work in?
This is all I got, Chef.
I've got some proper gear for you here.
Of
Here's
course.
a chef coat,
The chef coat.
your apron,
No, I've worn these many times before.
and then your towels for the day. Did you bring some actual kitchen shoes with you?
I got my hiking boots on.
I mean, maybe we'll go for a hike today.
I hope that's a good thing. All right, Chef, I'm ready to go.
All right, Mads, you're here, you're ready.
I'm ready.
Do you know how to brunoise? Do you know how to chiffonade? Do you know what I mean when I say fine dice?
Fine dice?
Have you ever chopped chives?
I haven't chopped chives, no.
We're gonna make a dish that's going to teach you all of the elements and all of the knife cuts that you need to learn in order to work in this kitchen. Today we're making Mary Rose, but first we're gonna have to poach our shrimp.
Chef, I did bring my knife set
Okay,
because every good line cook needs a good knife set, correct?
that is very correct.
So that's one thing I have down. Do you want to see them?
Absolutely.
Okay. What do you think?
I think it's nice.
Feels
it looks
good?
sharp.
Yep.
So we're gonna start by making a Court Bouillon, and we're gonna rough chop these vegetables, but there's a certain way that we're gonna go about it. So wait for my direction, I'll show you, and then we'll take it to the next.
Yes, Chef.
We're creating basically a stock to cook our shrimp in, to add the right flavors to it, to add sweetness to our shrimp. We're gonna use the carrot. The leek will add a little bit of sweetness as well. The onion will add a lot of savory and umami throughout. Gonna half our onion, cut it in 4 pieces, and then cut it in half. We need all 4 of those. Then we'll add it to the bowl.
Okay. So it's not a perfect wedge. It's just sort of
Straight up
Cut
and down,
four.
just a rough dice.
put these guys back together. Okay, not gonna lie, you made it look really easy. But how was that? That wasn't bad.
Now, we're gonna do the same thing with the fennel.
I thought that was an onion.
And you're basically going to do the exact same cut that you did for the onion.
Okay.
I am going to show you a carrot, or just how. So this is just a rough chop. We're just gonna do some nice little rounds, and this is just to add flavor to our Court Bouillon.
What's this? Oh,
It's a little more tough than that.
totally. Boom.
So then we've got some leek. This style of knife is great for cutting vegetables.
So this is all just for the broth.
This is all just for the stock that we're gonna cook the shrimp in. Okay, so we'll do our scallions next. I tend to use a lot of different onions because I think they all have different properties that add. Basically with the fennel, we're adding a little anise. We're also gonna use tarragon to add that anise. Then the onions, we're using a Spanish onion. We're also going to use a scallion here. And then we're just gonna take the stems off the parsley.
And this is the parsley, right?
She does know something.
See, Chef? See? I'm learning. Okay, so do I go like this?
Just one cut.
Just boom.
Perfect.
I didn't know the stems had flavor. I would have assumed these were sort of flavorless.
I mean, you should eat one.
Should I?
You should taste everything in all elements of your cooking.
Okay, you gotta eat one now too.
I'll eat
Prove
one
it.
too.
It's actually not bad.
I'm gonna go back to my country roots.
Hey, no, hey. Now we're vibing. Okay.
Next, we're gonna put the tarragon into the bowl.
Tarragon. Right?
Got it.
Okay, so what am I doing with this?
Just half and one. Yep.
Like this?
When you're cutting, especially 2, you use the whole amount of the knife.
Oh, like move it.
Yeah.
As opposed to just up
Yeah.
and down.
Yeah. And then that way, with the shape of it, it rolls on the cutting board properly.
Ah. Okay, like that. Bit more like that.
Yeah.
Throw it in. Okay, beautiful. So we let this simmer and
Yeah, it's just gonna
marinate.
come back up to a boil.
Uh-huh.
Then all of our flavor should have enough all the way through. And now we'll grab our shrimp. So this is one of 2 types that we're putting in.
There's 2 types of shrimp in here?
This is one type of shrimp. So
Oh.
these are black tigers,
Uh-huh.
and we're gonna poach the black tigers for the shrimp cocktails. Okay, so now that we've brought our Court Bouillon up to a boil, we've had it cooking for about 30 minutes. We're gonna take this and we're gonna strain it over our shrimp. We're gonna use the heat from the pot, from the water, to cook our shrimp very gently, as opposed to boiling our shrimp in it. So here's our shrimp. We've got a strainer over top so we don't mix it with all those vegetables and it's easier to come out.
Oh my gosh. Chef,
You
you're
want
brave.
about 2 times the amount of water that you have shrimp. So then we're gonna leave that for approximately 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna take the lid off, give them a quick stir, and then leave them for another 10 minutes. And by the time those 20 minutes are up, we're gonna have some
Smells
cooked shrimp.
so good. This is the Mary Rose sauce, right?
This is the Mary Rose.
Such a sauce girl. I'm so excited to make this.
Can you name any of these ingredients for me?
Chef, I can name all of these ingredients. Ketchup, capers, gherkins, pickles,
Cornichon.
cornichon,
You're in a French restaurant.
cornichon, tomato, red onion, shallots,
These are shallots.
mayo,
Correct.
and green onion,
Those are chives.
chives.
Everything's here, everything's organized. We're just gonna put everything in the blender and then we're gonna bring it up until it's smooth, but not completely smooth. We still wanna know some of the ingredients that are in there and be able to see them.
Yep.
So we've got our cornichon, some tomato, seeds out,
Seeds out, paper.
capers,
Oh, so good.
got our chives. Just put all those in there. We can
Yeah.
always chop more chives.
Yes.
Brunoise shallot.
Listen, if you hire me in the end, I'll be the sauce girl. I'll just throw everything in the blender. Ketchup, that's a lot of ketchup.
It's a good amount of ketchup,
Okay.
but it's less ketchup than seafood sauce.
Really?
Which is all ketchup.
Basically all ketchup.
And then mayo. A little bit of hot sauce.
Okay.
Any of your favorite hot sauce will work here. And then this is a little bit of brandy, but I'm not gonna use this quite yet. And this is just sort of the finishing move to the whole thing.
I had no idea there was brandy in these sauces.
There's no brandy in traditional cocktail sauce, but Mary Rose needs some brandy.
Okay.
So we're just gonna get it started. Use our plunger, push it down a little bit, bring up the speed very slowly. Our brandy goes in. That's all we need to do.
And what else is Mary Rose used for? Is it just seafood or
I've
multi-purpose?
mostly used it in seafoods myself. But I mean, it's another derivative, similar to a Russian dressing, similar to
Yes.
like a cocktail sauce as well.
We don't know who Mary was.
Oh dear.
So this is our Mary Rose.
Cheers. Thanks for teaching me the ropes today.
Tastes pretty good to me.
Ooh, chef. That's fantastic. It's really good.
Plating. This shrimp cocktail has 2 different parts. We have a Fogo Island shrimp, and then we have Selva shrimp.
I brought my handy dandy tweezers so that we can plate this super effectively and delicately.
Well, that's pretty sweet. We're gonna need those.
10 points for that, right?
10 points.
What's next?
Okay, so now we're going to do the Fogo Island shrimp portion of our shrimp cocktail. So we're gonna take some of our shrimp, some of this horseradish crumb brush. We're just gonna mix the 2 of these together.
So good. But it's gonna taste fantastic.
Gonna take our shrimp. Here's where our tweezers come in.
Aha.
So we're gonna take our shrimps, 1, 2. We're just gonna add a little bit of garlic oil over top of that. Small squeeze of lemon juice. Couple nice grates of fresh horseradish. And just give it a little toss. And put our chiffonade down on top of our ice. Make it nice and green. And plate our shrimp. Make sure our tails are easy to grab for our guests. 1 beautiful seedless lemon wedge will go on the plate.
That's part 1.
That's part 1. We have our Mary Rose as part 2. And then we will take our Fogo shrimp canals of wasabi. And there's our shrimp cocktail.
Ta-da!
Should we eat?
I didn't want to say it, but yeah, should we eat?
So Mads, we're gonna actually have a proper Cluny experience instead of just eating over a garbage can like most of us do.
Starting with the Fogo Island.
I would probably start with the Fogo Island.
And I don't dip this in the Mary Rose.
I mean, try it on its own and then determine whether you want it in the Mary Rose as well.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I wish I could get hired just to eat.
I've been trying that my whole life.
Just so you don't forget who I am when I come back for a job in a couple months after I've brushed up on my knife skills. I made you this,
It's so good.
okay? So don't forget me, all right?
Okay, is it microfiber? I'll use you to clean my glasses.